We'll guide you through how to fix mobile data not working on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're wanting to go and use the data from your mobile network provider and access the internet without Wi-Fi. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's get started. First of all, do just make sure you have got data included in your plan and you haven't just gone and run out of it. You can go and check this with your mobile network provider. If you know this already though, we can go and get into the first method. So to get started, you can swipe up, find settings. You can always search for the top or swipe across to go and find it. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find connections at the top. Go down and you want to go and find data usage. And you want to make sure that mobile data is switched on, as you can see. Then what you want to do is you want to go down and press back, and you want to go and find mobile networks just above data usage. And you want to make sure data roaming is switched on if you're trying to go and use it abroad. Then you can come back to data usage. You want to come into data saver, make sure that's switched off because that can go and limit data and make it seem like it's not working. Now, if you'll find that it's not working in a specific app or multiple, press allow networks for apps. What you need to do is go down here and you can go and check these apps. For example, if you tap on it, it may only be set to Wi-Fi only. Make sure it's set to mobile data or Wi-Fi, and you can scroll down and go and check that for a specific app which isn't working with it. Now, what you want to try doing is coming out of here, drag down at the top of your phone, and you need to go and find flight mode or airplane mode. You may need to drag down again to find it. Then you can go and tap on it just for a few seconds, turn it on, and then you can turn it back off just to go and reconnect, and that can sometimes solve it. If it still doesn't, swipe up and come back to your settings. Then on your settings, you need to go and scroll down and go and find general management. You can then scroll down and go and find reset, and you can scroll down and you can do a reset of your mobile network settings. Hopefully that'll then go and solve the issue.